In this episode, the series peels back glamour to reveal a billionaire's private mega yacht with sun-drenched decks. A guided tour moves through custom cabins, a helipad, and a chef-ready kitchen as the vessel anchors. Next to world-class, Showroom showcases rare cars gleaming under glass with carbon fiber interiors and limited edition collaborations. The jet hangar reveals sleek private jets, bespoke cabins, and the daily checks that keep them flawless. Finally, the episode hints at daily rituals of the ultra-rich and the stories behind these treasures and the personal preferences of the owners.